Sometimes half the bike there. I'm fucking stuck on the gate. People in the way. Don't worry, I've got you. I need that job. Yep. Deep level shower.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be here in London. Well, I wanted to. I really did not see you guys take so long. I've been in there once before, right?
Oh, mate. Fucking love it in here.
It's warm as well, it's nice.
I know. No matter how many times you come, it's still good.
Get lost in it, man.
You can't get lost, don't worry. Just go for it.
Apparently, mate, they said,
I reckon know where they're getting in. They're getting in down here. Focus.
looks out there.
Yeah, go on then.
Blinded again.
The fuck? There's more tunnel on the other side of that wall. I've never noticed that before. Oh, I see where I am in Jesus' room. There's the Jesus room there.
This was actually on the news about 2 months ago.
Was it?
Yeah, so they reckon that actual cross
Yeah.
is about 300 years old.
Oh, fucking hell.
massive now. More expecting that.
Not got to the end yet, have I?
Exactly.
Where's the gate? There's the old gate.
Getting luck, isn't it? It's open.
Is the gate open?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. That is one cool gate.
It is. I love the hole in the floor there as well, where it goes up into the other level. Old SO oil can.
I take it a lot of people have been down here.
It used to be open for tours a long, long time ago.
All right. So why did it close? Just money.
I guess so. That's the little hole that I made. It goes into someone's basement. It definitely continues as well. I can see their old wheelbarrow and that in there. Look at that shaft as well.
Can't even get in there.
What's that say?
Like I say, Dave says he saw.
So there's an arrow pointing that way for something.
What's all that? I don't know.
Emergency escape.
Can I see that?
Yeah, it's the shaft for the emergency escape.
Ah, a bit of a hard time getting up there, wouldn't you?
There'd be a ladder. JN.
Dave said there is some carved into the rocks that date back to the 18th
Right.
century. Obviously, there's a lot of rocks.
Yeah, there is a lot of rock. Could be anywhere.
What's that?
1800s engravings.
We get lost. You got the porch.
See, I never crawled down there. Wonder where that goes.
I think that's some of these.
There's another hole in there as well.
Through that hole as well. No, that's a small room. That's how they're getting in. I'll shut the door there. I climbed through there.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Go nowhere?
No, don't go nowhere, mate. Dead end. I went through that bad boy when we first came down.
Your my light's gone. I don't even bring a torch in. So
See this old fire extinguisher?
No way.
Is it? No, it's not actually. What is that?
Got like plugs or something on it. What is that? What is what that is?
God knows.
Some sort of
It's very weird.
electrical internals, isn't it?
That's gas. Oh, the little thing crumbles.
That's where they're coming in, that door.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, it's the only other way in.
Another shaft for emergency escape.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the king,
Yeah.
Oh,
So
you
it
all,
brings
you
you
all
back
found
when
up
you
the
came
top
from
level then?
Yeah.
Who's left the biscuit?
I was going to say,
Not me.
who's that photo of as well?
Well, don't worry.
Oh my god, no, no, fucking hell.
It's a random photo.
What happened to you? Just been walking about.
Talk away, mate.
Oh, been looking in little nooks and crannies.